so sorry for you if you got pain like that. Let me see your face. He has to sit down. Masakit daw yung likod niya, oy. So ako, tayo-tayo lang muna dito. Gusto ko talaga kumain ng candy floss, ah. May nakikita akong mga taong kumakain ng ganun. Saan kayo makakabili, ah? Hintay-hintay na naman kami. Well, sakay dyan si, Elisa.
So happy thing is trying to make me smile. So happy things make me stop for a while. But some happy things are going.
Ito yung old picture ng Bakken. So it was in this day, 1900. Pinaka matandang theme park in the world. Nood-nood.
So happy thing is trying to make me smile. So happy things make me stop for a while. But some happy things are going out of style, and I don't want to wait and be too late. Some happy things make me want.
Elisa Vo Evi
Bakken.
Directed Bakken, like oldest
Huh?
oldest theme park in the world.
I think.
Yeah, right? First to do is yeah. Gamel. I don't know.
Come. It's
Bakken. Din fasya. Adi ba like po dance like Eldrast. Yeah. Hela Veden.
Sikat yun.
Ayan, hansak sumay. Hi, nako. So, andito kami ngayon. Ito ay magandang upuan. Upuan. Hindi nyo naman kita, guys. Ito. Upo-upo muna. Ang daming mga artwork dito actually. Ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? So, una, wait lang. Ito mga artwork nila dito. Ganyan. Tapos may mga ganyan din na pwedeng upuan. Ewan ko ba, bakit parang may mga name? Each na mga ganito may mga name. I don't know para saan yan. See? My candy floss. Ganyan. So, ano na, parang, what time is it na?
The time is.
So, ano na, 5 o'clock na ng afternoon. Tapos, I think we're gonna stay here until 8.
Maybe 8, 7.
Yeah, because it's gonna also be cold later, right? And we don't have jackets really. So, yon. Tapos ngayon, break time muna kami and then hahanap kami
You have
ng...
my phone?
Yeah. Is it closed? Yes. Make sure it's closed because your phone is also here.
Okay, we
Okay.
have to.
Okay, it's nice. So anyway, lakad-lakad muna kami kasi magbe-break time muna yung bata sa car-ride daw.
So anyway,
Ayaw.
really anyway.
So yon nga. And then gusto ko talaga makahanap ng candy floss dito. Gusto ko kumain. Come no dong, maybe you can get it. That's the rules. Sarap naman ang ice cream, guys. Oh, different flavors. There. There. Pero ayaw ko niyan. Kape sa akin. Ventlet, ha? Ang sarap ng kape ko.
That's vanilla, how it should taste.
Wow.
Himmels.
Gibbons.
Vanilla of
This one, it really tastes so good. Like, I'm so
You think an
happy.
Italian will not serve you the right way?
Dude,
I've been drinking a lot of coffee, right? Different coffees and all that.
And this is only a single shot.
it's a gold. Can I have it this?
Yeah, you can eat that.
How?
Smile, babe. Is it?
What is it?
And it's the special game.
Mosquitoes kick us in half. Maybe I
It's
should.
got like a weird taste.
Got nuts.
Try, Lisa.
Like, try you now. Oh, come on. Uy,
Mmm.
do it's better?
Yeah. Fuck, you're so smart. Ah. I didn't know that you just ganyan it. It actually tastes better. Good.
Tack. Jag gör det där med ofta. Okay, got the
But this is made the right way. It's supposed to be on the right machine. And that machine is making it's like 70,000. Yeah.
Can I taste that
Coffee? Taste it. It's not like coffee taste. It's more of it's coffee taste, but it's mild.
Yeah.
You will love it when you get older.
Like me.
Det smakar med kaffe.
Festival.
Oh, I love this.
Festival.
Hästvagn, oj. Mamma.
Yeah. You think people ride there? How much you think?
Expensive.
So they will just offer it to people. I think it's more of the one who's gonna get married.
Try to taste
That
this vanilla.
coffee is so weird. But it's better in coffee. Actually.
Marzipan?
Maybe you should
good,
taste
right?
the coffee with
It's
ice
good.
cream.
I have to say it's got that taste is good, but I'm just not really into marzipan.
No.
But I can taste it. It's good taste.
Mama, do you want to have this? Try to have it in your.
No.
Actually,
No.
it could be better. Har du hört om chokladkaffe? Kaffe blandat med choklad.
Really?
Mörk choklad. Eller choklad så kallas kaffe.
What is that called? That kind of coffee with
Hvis du
chocolate?
blander det med sån där helt normalt.
Because cappuccino and latte, that's like with milk.
Cappuccino, that's an espresso.
Is it?
It's a strong coffee.
I'm so happy I ordered this back. And you two are also happy with your ice creams.
Yeah.
And it's also nice because it's not, there's no people here.
So far, yeah. You see there is
What?
line with some of the other one. This one is the best one here. It's one of the best in Denmark.
Well,
It is. You see, you got a trophy. And it's also nice and warm here.
Og så kommer bare fordi at man sidder
Right.
her.
It's also
Det
nice.
betyder
And,
ikke, at der er nogen, som køber det og går rundt
it's
med.
also nice and warm here, right?
it's cold.
Can I have some water?
Water? Oh, here. It's already ready.
That you have right here. It's right.
Ang sarap ng kape. Or?
Hvad er det der?
Heater?
Hvad?
Heater.
Hvad hedder det?
Varmt.
Varmer.
Kassevarmer.
Hvorfor varmer de også ikke?
Første tanke er, fordi de kan tæt.
The best coffee in Bakken. So, pag pumunta kayo dito, guys, best coffee and best ice cream, punta kayo sa Giovanni L. Gelato Deluxe. And it's been here since 1961. Oh, 1961. Tagal na pala ah. Tapos yung store nila may mga trophy na nanalo sila sa competition ng ice cream, mga ganon. Tapos yung owner, ano talaga, Italian. You're enjoying your day, Lisa?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
This ice, I enjoy.
You like it? A lot? Look at these people. Look at these people. Oh my gosh.
Kan man høre dem iskaffe?
Iskaffe, ja. Ja, ha. Men jeg kan godt lide iskaffe selvfølgelig, hvis det er så varmt.
Hvis der er
Ja,
varmt, hvis
the
der er varmt, og
weather-
du putter is, han er ikke...
if the weather is warm, then it's nice to have iskaffe. But if the weather is cold, like now, I feel cold, then they dilate at ha in varm kaffe.
Men der er varm kakao. Jeg tænker, der havde
Jeg kan
noget
ikke
som
lide
iskakao,
kakao.
der havde...
Nej.
Can you not, do you not like cacao?
I don't like it.
You have a problem. You don't like cacao?
No.
But it's not a problem.
Think
Ayaw ko ng makakaw-kakaw na drink. Dati nung bata ako, I like it. Pero now, I love coffee. Coffee is... Ito na yung candy floss guys. Sobrang laki. See? Mas malaki pa sa mukha ko. Ooh, it's so big!